You cannot fuck up this dish.
She's my cherry pie.
Cannot. Let me show you what I mean. So I got all this rice. It's perfectly cooked. It's al dente. It melts in your stomach, not in your mouth. Because you don't want that with the rice. You want rice to be nice and hard and you're chewing it. Because I watch a lot of anime, and well, I've seen it in the anime shows, and it looks really good every time. So we're gonna try it. Actually, it's my brother who watches the anime. I'll walk by him watching it, and I'll say, "Oh, look at that dish, David." And he'll go, "Yeah, we should try it out." So here I am, David. Here I am trying out the egg rice. So it's real simple. You just take an egg, and you don't want it to focus. Phone won't focus. So you take an egg and crack it. Crack it right into the middle. I forget what the name for this is. I don't know what the name for this is. Does anyone know in the comments section? Maybe you can leave a comment, guys. It's like shit. So here it is, fully mixed. Kind of cooked a little bit. It's like porridge. But this is what the orphans ate. The orphans. Let's put some salt on it and enjoy. Just tastes like someone mixed egg and rice. I hated it! It's a mixture of potatoes and rice. And a raw egg. Let's see how this tastes. This is what it looks like all mixed up. Try some. It's like rice and potatoes and egg and raw egg mixed together.
To all the ladies in the place with style and grace, allow me to lace these lyrical douches in your bushes.